D5 Render 210. Experience the future with real-time path tracing. Designers, architects, artists, real-time rendering has reached a whole new level. Introducing the revolutionary real-time path tracing feature in D5 Render 2.10. Now, global illumination is more realistic, reflections are sharper, and scenes have a cinematic feel. Capture the finest details even in low-light environments. Experience flawless light distribution on metal surfaces and glass reflections. Get the most lifelike rendering experience ever. Smarter, faster, more realistic, and fully customizable. Adjust GI precision, reflection depth, and sampling quality to fit your needs. Interiors, exteriors, large-scale projects. With D5 Render 2.10, everything comes to life instantly on your screen. Less waiting, more creating. The future of rendering is here. Try D5 Render 2.10 now and feel the difference.